What's up with it? Yes, I am back with another vlog, with another video. I'm sorry that it's been taking me a little bit long to put something out, but I've been having a little bit of difficulties with transferring videos and my photos over. And then I've been working and also working out as well too, full time. I've been going to the gym at least, I try to go to the gym at least 4 to 5 days a week. So yeah, it's been a lot. But I'm back and I'm ready to, you know, go to work because it's not going to be no more excuses, because there can't be no excuses. Shit, it should never have been an excuse in the first place. But, I mean, shit happens, y'all. So, trying to make sure my doors are locked. Okay guys, so I'm here at the Livermore outlet. We're just about to come here and see if we can find us some shoes, okay? So that's what I'm doing. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy. There's blood in my pen. Better yet with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. What color do you want? So we is leaving this motherfucking outlet because I didn't see shit. Okay, I didn't see nothing. It wasn't nothing there. They don't got shit. And I didn't feel like walking to every fucking store. Like the first couple of 3, 4, 5 of them, I was like, you know what, I'm done. I'm not about to walk all these damn stores. I'm pretty sure that they had something somewhere, but I'm not about to go to 10 stores just to find 1 pair or 2 pair of shoes. My bitch, don't you see me? What are you doing? Like, can you see, ho? This bitch can't see. This is the reason why you gotta pay attention to the damn road, because people do not know how to fucking drive. If I did not honk my horn, this bitch would have hit me. Like, how the hell you don't see me? Ugh. I need to become a millionaire so then I could just have people drive for me. You know? Because this driving shit is ratchet. Just
beautiful sea, I choose to be happy. You and I, we're like diamonds in the sky. You're a shooting star, I see, a vision of ecstasy. When you hold me, I'm alive. We're like diamonds in the sky. I knew that we'd become one. America.
Captain America? Let me see. Ooh.
They're real.
Okay, so I didn't show y'all what I wear today, so I'm just very casual, very laid back. Got me some little Converse on. Converse, some tights, and a little gray bodysuit. And I got this little cute little jean jacket on, and a little purse that my daughter got me for Christmas. It's cute, just something, not too much.
Like diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shining bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds in the sky, shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond, shining bright like a diamond, beautiful like diamonds shine bright tonight.
I can't fit it all. It's too big. I knew you was gonna like those. Alright, let's get them.
Okay.
Let me see your toe. Where your big toe at?
Right there.
Let me see the other foot, I mean.
Yeah.
Let me try one more time. Let me make sure.
My baby.
That fits?
Alright.
Alright.
Fit. Go, baby. Go, baby.
Alright, you want these?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Alright, so we got one pair of shoes. At least we got something. I guess I do not wear a size 10 no more. Come on, Sticky. I don't know if my feet got bigger or they just making the shoes smaller, because I used to wear a size 10 in women. And now I damn near wear a 10 and a half. I don't know about no 11. Grow? Like after, you know, they supposed to grow? Like in your 30s? Your feet still be growing? It's weird. Get up out of here and go to the mall. Oh damn, it's about to close? What time the mall close? So,
ow, my nose.
oops, did I hit you in your nose? Sorry. All right. So, which one we're going to get? Which one? You want to get a Spider-Man? You already had Spider-Man before. You don't want to get the other one? Let's look at the price. $29. No, it's got the Hulk on there. It got Iron Man. It got Black Panther on there. It got Captain America on there. See, you didn't look.
Mm-hmm. I'll take that one.
But you still want the Spider-Man one?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Okay, guys, so I am vlogging on my phone right now.
I got Spider-Man jacket.
Yep, got Spider-Man jacket.
I got like sing.
So we just came up into H&M. We is actually at Southland Mall right now to just get a couple things. So yeah, so that's all we doing. You want your hot dog or not? What's up, y'all? So we just came from the mall. Oh my god, so I'm cheating today. And nothing wrong with having a cheat date, because I really honestly don't have those. You know, I had to go and stop by Auntie Annie's. Everybody know Auntie Annie's is. If you don't know, then you really need to go and get to know. Oh, I'm a rapper. No, I'm just sorry. Got me this little hot dog with jalapenos on there, and yes.
Oh my
god. So, it's like this.
I don't like it.
So, yeah. So that's what it looks like. And then I got this little raspberry lemonade slushie.
Cool. Hey, you shell. I want shell.
That's good.
Good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Look at mine.
Good, huh? This shit is good.
Yeah.
Y'all, this is good, y'all. I haven't had bread. I can't even remember when the last time I had bread. So the bread is smacking.
Shell, Mama.
Huh?
Shell.
You said I share?
It's that blue thing. That my friend.
You want me to share my drink?
Yeah. my blue friend. Please share. I want it.
Bruh, because mama ain't gonna drink all that, so I'm gonna give you some. Today, I don't want to say it was a fail, because we still end up getting him the shoes that he really wanted and some shoes that he needs. Did you eat your hot dog? Where your hot dog at?
A little bit.
Eat some more. You gonna eat it when you get home? Okay. Okay, guys, so I will tap in back with you guys. You know, matter of fact, I'm not gonna tap in. Well, I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna tap back in with you guys. I know as soon as I get in the house, my husband gonna be at home and we're gonna be sitting there talking and, you know, probably having dinner. So I don't know if I'm gonna pick you guys back up. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll pick you back up tomorrow. Wanna say bye to the vlog?
Bye.
We'll talk to you guys tomorrow.
Look at my face. Look at my face.
Hey y'all, so it is Sunday, April 17th. Today is Easter. Right now I am on my way to go see my godmom. I haven't seen her in a couple of years. This woman is very dear to my heart. You know, I could just go on and on about how much I care about this woman. She is my mom's best friend / sister. But yes, I'm going to go see her and my god sisters. I haven't seen them in a couple of years also. It was a point of time that I wasn't able to be around my godmother because... What's up, y'all? So when I'm talking about a stressful or emotional situation, it just doesn't work out for me, guys. I just be getting off subject. I get too emotional. It just be a hot mess. But in the part of this vlog, I just wanted to explain to you guys why it was so hard for me to be around my godmother. She just played a big part in my life and my mom's life. And every time I was around her, I just wanted my mom. That's it. It was nothing more, nothing less. I just needed some time to really just deal with my mom's stuff. That's all. So let's get back to the vlog. What I love about her is she didn't judge me. She didn't get mad. She didn't say, oh, she acted funny. She was just like, hey, I'm going to be here for you. No matter what. No matter what. You know, if you need some time, you know, I get it. And I respect the fuck out of her. And of course it made me even feel even worse, you know, but I had no control of my feelings. I mean, I never had a mom die before. I didn't, you know, go through that. I didn't know the emotions. I didn't have too many experience with death like that. So when my mom passed away, it was just like, bam, like that was like the first real big death that I had dealt with. So, you know, it was a lot, but my godmom, she didn't judge me and she didn't care. She just like, you know, I'm always going to be here for you. And I love the fuck out of her. Like, I could cry. I'm getting emotional just talking about her. Oh, Jesus. We can't do that. We driving. But I'm just getting emotional by talking about her because she's really a good ass woman and she's a Virgo like me. So me and her, we click on a whole separate level, you know. Shit, when I be mad and frustrated, she be understanding me because, you know, shit, she a Virgo too, so she get it. But I just want to say to my godmother, I love you. And thank you for always being there for me. And thank you for truly loving me and my mom. I really appreciate it. And I love you forever. And that's from the bottom of my heart. Mwah. I will pick you guys up later. Hopefully I can get some footage. I don't want to be sticking the camera in her face or anybody's face over there. So I am going to ask for permission first before I just come in here and start recording. So, yeah. I like to record.
You know, I always run 7 minutes every time you cook.
Yeah, that's what I'm here for.
Now, to say if I can repeat it,
I like holding the tail when I put it in there. I told him I was watching his video. He said, don't nobody touch my food.
Yeah, get like some whatever candy. Yeah, get like some gummy candy.
my video, sorry.
Everybody go it. Come on, y'all. Come on. Come on. Come on, there's more. There's more. Follow me.
Look, Maya, wait. Grab it.
Ooh,
Oh my God.
oh, you can't find it. You gotta.
Maya.
Oh, look.
Oh my God, there's some more stuff. Come on.
Get it.
You gotta go.
Oh my God. He dropped it. That's it. Okay.
Look, y'all gotta look.
Amaya.
Oh, it's very
Oh my God.
Oh, they're everywhere.
Amaya. Look, hey.
Oh wow.
They got them everywhere.
Right.
I told ya. Go, Laura.
Where's the Maya?
Look around. Everybody look up in the middle. Look up in the middle. Up and around.
Right.
I said, up and around. My bad.
I think this is the one.
My baby, huh?
No, because Lonnie said the good ones are hidden in the drink and was over there. Is what she said, and I also got that one.
That's what I thought that deal.
I had 3
Is that everything? We in there running our mouth. We came out late to the hut.
Right.
We could have waited.
See, I came through the back door.
Okay. And
this one is hustle.
Right. She over there. That big old smile.
Girl, ain't that Tink twin?
Yes.
They got everything, y'all? Did you open your egg? Am I thinking little airport? He going with me. He said in my house. He ain't got no school? He on spring break. You on spring break, right? Yeah, oh, I thought this spring break was last week. But I think Tracy's was last week.
Yeah, and I'm still on.
All right, leave it right there. Leave it right there, Dunks. All right, boy. I guess forgive me, right?
I'm recording you, Mom.
Happy Easter.
Hey. This is my mom, y'all.
Yep, that's my baby girl.
Yes.
Candy in the
Yeah, go back.
Go in the room.
It's yours. All yours, okay? Open them all.
Open them up.
Open some more. Open them all. Open them all. Open them all.
I got the best
Don't
ball
just stop
right
at
there.
one.
What happened?
Ooh, I got balls.
Yeah. She sweet so.
You got candy?
No,
Okay.
Ooh, I got the bunny. No,
No,
Wait, okay.
he got much.
Oh, son, you got some.
How much you got?
Ooh, son, you got some gas money. Oh, I mean, your money. I mean, you got some money, son,
That's $1.
that you can put in your wallet.
Look, you might be short yourself.
Grandma, I got $2. Oh,
Yeah.
Grandma, look.
Oh, who got all that money?
I got a lot of money. I got no.
But you're not one of the eggs, boy. You
I'm
really
going
put no work, Dunks.
Look.
You want to get no eggs, boy?
We know.
No, you got eggs. I'll let all the kids get.
Real eggs?
No.
No. Nobody
I
will.
want to smell
No
it.
toys in.
Can you get a candy for
The fun part for the kids is dying the real egg.
Yeah.
But I asked Malachi last night, did he want? He said no. All right, here. I got him a V-Bucks the gift card. I think I was on candy with the
Right.
I said, you know, Easter ain't really about no damn money now. Right? I just had to let him know, you know, it ain't about no money.
I hate this eyelashes that does that. Like, what? I don't know how to put on eyelashes, y'all. Look at this. I don't know how to put on eyelashes. Look at this, always doing this. I need to go on YouTube University and look up how to put on eyelashes because I know this is not it. But anyways, guys, I am at home. Just got back to the house. I'm in my closet right now. Well, me and my husband's closet. I had a good day, guys. Like, I really did have a good day. So I don't know if I was explaining to you guys earlier, but I think I touched on a little subject about like when my mom passed away. I don't like being around people that was really close to her because it just trying to bring up, you know, memories and all that stuff and whatever. So I really do feel like that when I get around my godmom because she played a big part in my life. So, you know, it was always kind of hard to be around her because every time I was around her, I'm expecting to see my mom. Like, my mom's going to come around the corner. And then when she don't, it's like, a stab in my heart. So, but today, I didn't feel that way. I felt love. I felt loved. I felt like, I don't know, I didn't feel sad. I didn't feel, I don't know, like I just didn't feel like how I used to feel. I felt like, I didn't feel like that my mom was gone. You know, like, yeah, she's not around, or yeah, I don't see her, but I didn't feel like that. But this year I have been working on, like I was saying, accepting her death, you know, accepting the fact that she's no longer here. So maybe that played a big part of it. And let me just put that out there. My godmom did not make me feel any type of way, okay? It's not her. It's a personal thing. It's nothing to do with her. So I want to make sure I put that out there, because I don't want y'all to be in the comments or, you know, saying this and saying that about whatever. Or even saying anything about her. Because if you say something about her, you're getting your ass blocked. Period. Anyways, not just playing. But I'm not playing though. Not about mines. But yes, it was good seeing my mom. It was good seeing everybody else, my god sisters, you know, my god brothers, nephews, nieces. It was definitely good seeing everybody, and you know, my son had a good time. Like, he was having a ball. It was just good. It was good vibes. It was definitely good vibes. And I love that for me, because that's what I'm on. I'm all about good vibes. I don't want none of that negative shit. Take that negative shit somewhere else, okay? Not here. I'm not doing that shit no more. Anybody got a problem with me, bitch, exit stage left. You know, I am not with all of that. No, I'm just not. Nope, I'm not. I'm not with none of that shit, okay? Girl, I still can't. Look at this. I don't know how to put on eyelashes. I don't know how to put on eyelashes. I don't know how to put on eyelashes. I just want to say thank you guys for tuning in. I really appreciate it. I love you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social media, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. Follow your girl, okay? Send some messages, DM me, tell me how I'm doing, give me some criticism. I love it. I'm here for it. I'll see you guys in the next vlog. You thought I was gone? Nah, bye y'all. See y'all in the next one.